Before we start, I just want to mention that I am new on YouTube and currently using a basic microphone. If you notice any issue with my voice or audio quality, I appreciate your understanding. Now let's dive into the today mystery. Now let's dive into today's mystery. It starts with a Reddit account that nobody had ever heard of. No profile, no bio, no karma farming, no memes, no comments. Just a username that looked completely random. Orion Watcher 91. Seemed like another abandoned Reddit account, but one internet user noticed something strange. Every few weeks, the account would leave a single comment under different posts. The comment went long, sometimes the comment went long, sometimes just a sentence, sometimes only a date. Most people ignored them until those dates start matching real world events. And when Reddit finally realized what was happening, the account disappeared without a trace. But before it vanished, thousands of people had already archived everything. Tonight we are diving into one of the internet's strangest urban legends, the story of the Reddit user who seemed to predict everything. The story began in early 2021. A moderate of a small conspiracy themed subreddit was cleaning up old Snap post when something caught his attention. It simply read, "Watch the sky on November 17." Nothing else. No explanations, no context, no comment had received only two upvotes. It looked meaningless until someone checked the date. On November 17, a rare matter shower had lit up the skies across several countries. Coincidence? Probably. No one thought no one thought much of it. But curiosity led people to the user profile. That when things became unsettling, the account had fewer than 50 comments. Yet almost every one of them referenced an event before it happened. Some mentioned internet outage, other mentioned stock market crash. One even hinted at a major software company announcing a security breach just days before it became public. But a handful were disturbingly specific. Reddit user did what Reddit user do best. They investigated within an hour. Volunteers created spreadsheets documenting every archive comment from the mysterious account. People compared timestamps, screenshots, internet archive, everything matched. The post had not been edited. Suddenly, more users joined the investigation. Someone discovered that the account had existed for almost 4 years. yet it had remained almost completely invisible. How? Because it never posted in popular communities, it stayed inside teeny subreddits with only a few hundred members, almost as if it wanted to remain unnoticed. But then, investigation noticed something that completely changed the direction of the mystery. Every prediction followed the same pattern. Every prediction followed the exact same pattern. And once they realized it, there was no way to ignore it. Instead of predictions random events, the account always posted exactly 17 days before something happened. Note 16, note 18, always 17s. People tested the theory. Every achieved predictions followed the same timeline. Some believed it was international. Others it was coincidence. Then other discover appeared. Several comments contained random capital letters hidden inside ordinary sentences. When those letters were extracted, they formed coordinates. The coordinates pointed to abandoned location around the world. An empty lighthouse in Scotland, a desert train station in Poland, an abandoned radio tower in Nevada. None of the locations seemed connected, yet everyone had an unusual history. Internet deactivate became obsessed. Some even traveled to these places hoping to find answer. They found nothing, or at least nothing we are willing to share publicly. As interest exploded, a user created an online archive receiving every comment before Reddit could delete anything. Within days, the archive had been downloaded thousands of times. YouTubers began making video. Podcasters discussed the mystery. Forumers filled with theories. Some believed the account belonged to a government employee. Others suggested it was an artificial intelligence experiment. A few even claimed it was someone who had somehow gained access to classified information, but there was not a single piece of evidence proving any theory. Only questions. And then the account made its final post. It was not a prediction, it was not a warning, it was just six words. Six words that terrified everyone following the mystery. You are finally looking the right way. After posting that message, the account went completely silent. No comment, no activity, nothing. For nearly 3 weeks, until one Reddit user decided to do something nobody else had considered. Instead of analyzing the comments, he analyzed the space between them, and what he discovered would turn a strange internet mystery into something much darker. When everyone else was focused on the words, One Reddit user decided to study something completely different. Note the comments, note the predictions, the time between them. He downloaded every archive post from Orion Watcher 91 and placed them on a timeline. At first, nothing stood out, but after several hours, a strange pattern began to emerge. The gaps between each post random. They formed a repeating sequence. 17 days, 34, 34 days, 68 days. Then the cycle would reset. It looked almost mathematically. As if someone had programmed the account to follow a schedule. The discovery quickly spread across Reddit. Within an hour, dozens of people were checking the timeline for themselves. The pattern was real. No matter how many times they tested it, the sequence never changed. That raised a disturbing question. If someone had carefully planned every post years in advance, who were they planning them for? A programmer from Germany decided to take an investigation even further. Instead of reading the comments, he copied every predictions mark into a separate documents, periods, comments, question marks, even spaces. The almost everyone surprise. The prediction created binary code. After several attempts, the code translated into a short sentence. The answer is not in the future. People were stunned. Had someone really hidden a second message inside ordinary Reddit comment? Or were internet deactivated simply saying patterns were non-exist? No one could agree, but curiosity had already taken over. Thousands of users joined the search. The mystery was became larger by the day. Then someone discovered a mistake, a single prediction that did not fit the pattern, and that mistake changed everything. Among dozens of achievements, one stood out immediately. Unlike every other predictions, this one never happened. The comment simply read, August 14, bridges closed. People waited. August 14 arrived. Nothing happened. No emergency, no nationwide closure, nothing. Many celebrated. They claimed the mystery had finally been debunked. The account was just another clever hoax. Case closed. But exactly 1 year later, a massive structural issue forced authorities to temporarily close several major bridges in different cities during the same week. Suddenly, the filed predictions did not seem so wrong anymore. Had the date been incorrect or had something delayed the event itself? Nobody know. But belief in the mystery returned stronger than ever. As the story spread across YouTube, Discord, and independent forums, people being searching for the person behind the account. They traced IP address, studies, writing style. Some believed the user lived in North America. Other or the grammar suggested someone from Europe. Every theory eventually collapsed. The digital trail simply disappeared. Even stranger. Several archives profile links suddenly stopped working. Internet archive snapshots vanished. Cached page became corrupted. Some users claimed files they had downloaded months early had somehow become unreadable. Experts dismissed these stories as technical error, but to the online community, it felt like someone was quickly cleaning up to evidence. Whether that was true, no one could prove. Then an anonymous email arrived. It contained only one attachment, and it pushed the investigation into completely new theory. The attachment was only 27 seconds long. At first, it sounded like ordinary static. Most listeners ignored it, but one audio engineer decided to analyze the recording. After slowing it down and removing background noise, a faint voice became audible. It was not clear, it was not complete, but several words could be heard. Don't follow the pattern. The internet exploded. Was it real? A prank? An edited recording? Audio experts could not reach a consensus. Some believed the voice was genuine. Others argued the words were simply an example of the human tendency to hear meaningful paraphrase in random noise. Without the original source file, there was no way to know. Weeks later, one investigation made a discovery that almost nobody noticed. Every prediction posted by Orion Watcher 91 had one thing in common. They were never about creating disasters. They only described events that were already moving toward happening, almost as if the account was not predictions the future, it was observing it. That idea completely changed the conversation. What if the mysteries user was not a prophet? What if they simply had access to information long before anyone else? Or what if every prediction had been carefully planted after the fact? The internet had built a legend around ordinary coincidences. No one could answer that questions because just as investigators prepared to dig even deeper, a brand new Reddit account appeared. It had no history, no profile pictures, only one post, one sentence. You found the first account. Then silence again. The internet barely had time to process the message. You found the first account. Within minutes, screenshots spread across Reddit, Discord, and private forums. Everyone was asking the same questions. What did it mean? The first account? Was there a second one? Or had there always been more? Thousands of users refreshed the profile every few seconds, hoping for another post. Nothing happened. For nearly 12 hours, the account remained completely silent. Then, just after midnight UTC, a single comment appeared. It did not contain a prediction, it did not contain a clue, it contained a question. How do you know the future has not already happened? The comment stayed online for only 6 minutes before it disappeared. But by then, hundreds of users has already achieved it. That sentence became the center of every discussion. Some thought it was philosophically, others believed it was another encrypted clue, and a few people became convinced that whoever was behind the account was not trying to predict the future at all. They were trying to change the way people thought about time itself. One investigator, now online only as Miles, decided to stop searching online. Instead, he searched for the earliest traces for the username. After days of digging through former and archived websites, he found something unusual. The username, or at last part of it, appeared on an abandoned message board from 2014. The post had only one sentence. The test beings when someone noticed the pattern. There were no reply, no profile informations, no IP logs, nothing. Human stranger. The website had gone offline years early. The only reason anyone could still see the page was because it had been partly preserved by web archive. Was it connected? Nobody knew, but it suggested one unsettling possibility. The Reddit account may not have been the beginning of the story. It may have been the continuation of something much older. And then a viewer watching one of the investigations video noticed something that everyone else had missed, something hidden in plain sight. Throughout the investigation, people had forced won the word, but one viewer focused on the numbers. Every screenshot of the mystery's account showed the exact time each command was posted. At first, the timestamps looked random, but when converted into UTC and arranged in order, a sequence appeared. Several programmers tried different decoding methods. One result stood out. The number translated into a short paraphrase. Observe, don't interfere. No one could prove the message was international. It may have been coincidence. It may have been pattern recognitions. Or it may have been another layer left behind by whoever created the account. By this point, the mystery had gone beyond Reddit. It had become an internet legend. People were not searching for answer anymore. They were searching for meaning. Exactly 1 year after the account disappeared, something unaccepted happened. Their chip profile briefly became active, just for a few seconds, long enough to publish one final post. No title, no explanations, just one sentence. Some mystery survived because people refused to stop looking. Less than 30 seconds later, the post vanished. This time Reddit administrator claimed no record of the activity exists. No server logs, no moderation history, nothing. Some believe the screenshot were fake, other inside it other instead they had seen the post with their own eyes without evidence. No one could know the truth. So, who was Orion Watcher 91? A government insider, a cybersecurity researcher, an artificial intelligence experiment, a brilliant storyteller, or simply a clever internet prank that grew for bound it creates exceptions. The truth is no one knows. And that what makes stories like this so fascinating. The internet has a unique way of turning small mysteries into modern math. One strange post become a theory. One theory become a community. And eventually a community creates a legend. Sometimes the mystery is real, sometimes it's built from coincidence, but once thousands of people being searching for answer, the story develops a life of its own. Because maybe the biggest mystery was never the account itself. Maybe the real mystery was why so many intelligent people desperately wanted to believe it. Whatever or Watcher 91 was real, or whatever the entire story was not story was nothing more than an elaborate internet legend. One thing is certain, it proves how powerful curiosity can be. A single anonymous account, less than 50 comments, no verified identity, yet years later, people are still talking about it, still searching, still asking questions that may never have answer. And paraphrased at the true nature of every great internet mystery. Not solving it, but wandering in the next clue is still waiting to do discovered. If you enjoyed this story and want more deep dives into mysteries, websites, strange disappearances, unsolved internet cases, and the darkest corner of the web, subscribe to the channel because the next mystery may be even stranger than this one. And remember, not everything you read online is true, but sometimes the story we can't verify are the ones we never forget.